Hello everyone! This will be our 11th video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for sales directors to make their job easier.
Hello again. In the previous video we saw that the hybrid model has 3 ways to be applied, and today I am interested in understanding better the first option, when the system detects what needs to be done, but a person executes it. How exactly does this work? And what advantages does it have over other more automated approaches?
Great, because this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to start working with a multi-agent system without major transformations. This modality is based on a very simple but very powerful logic. The AI observes, analyzes, detects patterns, and proposes actions, but it is a human who executes them manually. This keeps control in the hands of the team, while leveraging the intelligence of the algorithms to guide the day-to-day.
In other words, the system does not make decisions, but it does act as an intelligent advisor that tells you, hey, do this now.
Exactly. It's like having an assistant who keeps an eye on everything that happens in the company without a break, and who gives you actionable tasks at just the right time. For example, imagine these real cases. The RFM analysis agent detects that a strategic customer has not contracted any services for 90 days. The AI generates a task for a salesperson to call him and offer him a reactivation proposal tailored to his history. The meeting agent identifies that a conversation with a customer mentioned a need for urgent technical support. The system triggers a task for a technician to contact the customer and coordinate a customized solution. The business intelligence agent detects a new lead in a recently published public tender. An area manager analyzes it, assesses the opportunity, and drafts the appropriate commercial proposal.
Okay, that's easy to visualize. And how do you deliver those tasks to people? In an email? In the CRM? Or are there other options?
It can be integrated into multiple platforms depending on the team's workflow. CRM such as Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho. Task managers such as Trello, Asana, ClickUp, or Monday.com. Collaborative tools such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, or Google Chat. Or even through automatic email notifications, mobile push alerts, or internal ticketing systems. The important thing is that the system centralizes everything that is detected, prioritizes it, and distributes it intelligently to the right person in charge, in the right channel, and at the right time.
That would do us a lot of good. Sometimes we know there are things to do, but no one picks them up. They get lost in the daily noise or get left in limbo because no one assigns them.
And that's where this model really shines. Because AI never gets tired, never forgets anything, and is always on the lookout for what needs to be done. It's like having an invisible, super efficient operations manager who hands out tasks in real time and without bias, constantly and reliably.
And what happens after a person does the task? Does the system find out what happened?
Yes. Once the person executes the action, such as sending a quote, making a call, recording a follow-up, or generating a report, she can return feedback to the system. This feedback can be structured or free, for example. Called, customer does not respond. Customer wants to wait a month before making a decision, or proposal generated, under review by management. This feedback feeds the system, which learns and adjusts its behavior patterns with each interaction. This improves the quality of future tasks, prioritizations, and recommendations. It can even detect when an action is repeated too often and suggest automating it at a later stage.
So, even by executing the tasks manually, we are training the system to become more accurate and more useful.
Exactly. This hybrid model not only gives human control, it also accelerates system learning without the need for programmers, data analysts, or machine learning experts. It is a very natural, almost organic way of evolving AI within the company. It does it from practice, from everyday use.
And does this apply to all agents, or are there limitations depending on the type of task?
It can be applied to all agents without any problem. Each one can work under this model depending on the area it covers. Some examples might be, the finance agent detects margin drops on products or services, and the pricing manager manually reviews the rates. To adjust them, the contract agent detects upcoming expirations or sensitive clauses, and someone from the legal or administrative team prepares the renewal or renegotiation. The strategic coordinator analyzes macro and micro business data, looks at market or internal trends, and proposes internal meetings to evaluate changes in approach. Even a work climate agent can detect drops in internal satisfaction for certain patterns and generate tasks for human resources to act on.
I like it. Especially because we don't need to suddenly change the way we work or restructure. We just need to integrate the system as a support, as a co-pilot that helps us not to get lost.
As is. This option is ideal for companies that are starting with AI or have expert teams that want to continue executing, but now with more intelligence, less uncertainty, and better focus. It is a strategic, low-risk, but high-impact first step.
Perfect. I think that's an excellent way to start. In the next video, I would like to know the second option, when the system proposes and the human chooses what to do, right?
Exactly. In the next video, we will see option 2 of the hybrid model, where the AI acts more autonomously, but delivers suggested decisions for a human who already knows the company and its context well, to choose between different strategic options. It is ideal for management teams or unit leaders who want to have ultimate control without losing agility or depth.
This is another very interesting option to study. I would like to get in touch with someone to start implementing this option in the company. Can you provide me with the contact of a person?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve sales managers' functions.